The state is trying to shut down the doors of an El Paso migrant shelter. Attorney General Paxton is attempting to shut down the Catholic charity Annunciation House over claims they protect and encourage illegal immigrants.
And the shelter says claims are unfounded and accused the state of infringing on their religious freedom. Ryan Chandler brings us inside the arguments in El Paso court this morning.
El Paso deserves a pat on the back. It doesn't deserve a punch in the gut.
Annunciation House defending its work in court Monday as Attorney General Paxton tries to shut them down. His office is equating the shelter with a stash house, claiming they attract and shield migrants after they cross illegally.
The federal government knows that undocumented persons reside in the Annunciation House. Annunciation House publicizes its willingness to shelter immigrants, and yet the federal government does not prosecute Annunciation House.
The case has attracted international attention. Pope Francis called Paxton's efforts sheer madness, telling 60 Minutes last month the migrant has to be received. Each case ought to be considered humanely. The shelter says their work is in service of the Catholic faith.
What we're talking about is the fundamental teaching of Jesus. Love one another. No exceptions. If that does not get protection, what does? This is a disappointing attack on religious freedom in Texas, period.
The judge is set to rule on the state's motion to pause their operations in the next 2 weeks. Ryan Chandler, KXAN News.
And last week, the president of the U.S. Conference of Catholic Bishops addressed the controversy and said actions to shut down Catholic nonprofits would restrict religious liberty by preventing them from practicing the precepts of the gospel. Paxton warns efforts to aid illegal immigrants can be in violation of state laws against the Stats House.